Licknriffers, and welcome back to the Lickin' Room. It's good to have you here again. We're going to learn I Don't Want to Miss a Thing. Now, before the tabs appear here on the screen, as usual, you can download the tabs. All the Licknriff tabs are for free. The link is below in the description. And while you're there, you'll notice that I just launched a new, completely free fingerstyle workshop. A 7-day free fingerstyle workshop designed to blow your mind and to level up your fingerstyle game. Yeah, in 1 week. It's gonna transform your fingerstyle playing. You're gonna love it, and I can't wait to see you inside. So sign up for the workshop. But first, let's learn I Don't Want to Miss a Thing. So you start the intro with F sharp minor 7 like this. 2, 2, and 2 on strings 3, 4, and 6. Now you play it with the open second string. The second string gives it this extra flavor. It's actually the add 11. So it's F sharp minor 7 add 11. And then you have this. 2 slide to 3 on the second string, open first, open second, and then you can play the F sharp minor 7 add 11 again. So, and then again. And then you have E minor, all open strings, with 2 on the first string. You pull off to 0. Then 3, 2 hammer on to 3 on the second string, open first string, and again, the F sharp minor 7 and 11. Then you put a D chord like this, 2, 4, 5 on strings 3, 4, and 5. You play strings 4 and 5, and then the third, and then the open second. Okay, I will stay away. And then you bar the second fret where you are and put 4, 4 on strings 4 and 5. So you play strings 4 and 5 and then 3 and then 1. And then 3 on the second string. And then you have 2 on the fifth with the open E string. And then 3 on the second string. Then you have 3 on the second string again, and then G with the open second string. 2, 2, 0 on the third. You can pull off, and then you have 2 again with the D string. You can play the D chord if you want, so. Okay, any way you want to play the D chord is fine. And then you have 3, 0 into E minor again on the second string, and then again 2, 2, 0, 2 on the third string, and then 2 on the fourth. It's all in E minor, so okay, you can play the bass again if you want. Then you play D to D again, and then G, D. And then you have the open third string, and then the E bass with 2, 0, 2 slide to 4 on the third. And then you have 2 on the third, 0, 2, 3 on the second. Every moment spent. And so, and then the spend is the open E string with 2 on the sixth. Back to that F sharp minor. And then you have 2 on the third. Then you have to, look at my fingers, you have to change the position to this, okay? 2 on the first, 3 on the sixth. This is G major 7, okay? You can play the whole G chord with 2 on the first string. So it's F sharp, minor, okay? And then you have 3, 3, 3 on the second, 0, 2 on the first. And then you slide up to 10 and you play 10 and 11 on strings 1 and 3 with A. And then 9 and 9. Okay, because you have that harmony there. Chorus, D chord. And then that last 2 on the first string is with A. And then the open E string twice with the A chord if you want, or just the E string, and then you have the E bass string, 0, 0, 0. It's E minor. And then 5, 3, 2. Okay, you can slide. You can slide again. And then you have G. You have 3, 3 on the second string, and then the G bass with the E string. And then 3, 3 again on the second string. 3 on the second, open first. And then you have 2 on the first with A, 3 on the second, 2, 2, 2 on the third. And then you have the open E string, and then D with the 3 on the second string. Okay, so you had this G, A, D. Okay, and then you repeat the whole chorus. Now the bridge is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 on the first string, leading you into a C bass. Okay, so you can play the open third string as well. Okay, for that C Lydian sound. And then the open E string twice, again, and then 3, 3 on the second with G. Open E string, open B string. And then you have the open E string again, and then you put B flat. Okay, 1, 1 on the second string. Then you lift the bar, but you put the chord. Okay, you still have the chord on, just lift the bar off the E string. You play strings 1, 2, 3. And then you play 1 on the E string, and then again, lift the bar, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then the F chord, just 1, 1, 1 on the second string. Then you have 1, 1, 1, 1, pull off to 0, 0, 0 on the first string. Now, the last one is again with the C bass. Okay, just like that, 2 at the beginning of the bridge. And then you have, okay, pretty simple, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 5, 3. But on the second 3, you play a G chord. So it's, okay, or the third, any way you want to play the lyrics. Okay, it's an arrangement. You don't have to stick to the lyrics verbatim. Now, I put my thumb for the G bass because it's simpler to solo like this, but you can do it like this if you want, for practicing even. Then you have D minor, 1, 3, 1, 0 on the first string, and then 3 on the second string. Then you have for the rest of time, you have 7 and 7 on strings 1 and 3 on strings 1 and 3. I just said that. So 7 and 7 into A. Okay, and then 5 and 6 twice on strings 1 and 3. And then yeah. Okay, it's 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And then the last 10 is with D starting the chorus. And that's your arrangement. Download the tab, the link is below in the description, and when you download the tab, you can sign up for the completely free workshop. Alright, so I'll see you next lesson. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Bye for now, have fun.